What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're tackling a delicious dilemma we've all faced. What to do with leftover slow cooker beef brisket. I've got you covered with 5 crazy good recipes that'll have you thanking your past self for cooking that extra brisket. We're talking beef ragu, creamy beef stroganoff, cheesy beef casserole, brisket mac and cheese pie, and spicy brisket chili. Get ready to transform those leftovers into culinary masterpieces. Before we get started, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more awesome food adventures. Let's get cooking! First up, let's make some killer beef ragu. Grab your leftover brisket and shred it up. We want about 2 cups. Dice an onion and saute it in olive oil until translucent. Add 2 cloves of minced garlic and cook for another minute. Throw in a tablespoon of tomato paste and cook for about 2 minutes. Pour in a 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes and 2 cups of beef broth. Season with a teaspoon each of dried oregano and basil, plus salt and pepper. Bring to a boil, then simmer for 30 minutes. Stir in the shredded brisket and simmer for another 15 minutes. Cook your favorite pasta, toss it with the ragu, and serve with Parmesan cheese and fresh basil. Boom! Leftover brisket transformed into an Italian feast. Get ready for some creamy, dreamy beef stroganoff. Slice your leftover brisket into thin strips, about 2 cups. Dice 1 onion and 8 ounces of mushrooms. Heat butter in a large skillet over medium heat. Cook onions until softened. Add mushrooms and cook until golden brown. Push veggies aside, add brisket and heat through. Sprinkle in 2 tablespoons of flour, stir, then gradually whisk in 2 cups of beef broth. Simmer until the sauce thickens, then stir in a half cup of sour cream. Serve over egg noodles for a flavor explosion. Let's talk casserole. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Chop your leftover brisket into bite-sized pieces about 2 cups. Cook 1 pound of pasta according to package directions. Dice 1 onion and 1 green bell pepper. In a large skillet, brown 1 pound of ground beef, then drain excess grease. Stir in the diced onion and green pepper. Cook until softened. Whisk together 1 can of condensed cream of mushroom soup, 1 cup of milk, and half a teaspoon of salt. Combine with the ground beef mixture, chopped brisket, and cooked pasta. Pour into a greased 9x 13-inch baking dish. Sprinkle with 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese. Bake for 20 minutes until the cheese is melted and bubbly. Dig in and enjoy. Get ready for the ultimate comfort food mashup beef brisket mac and cheese pie. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Cook 1 pound of elbow macaroni according to package directions. Chop your leftover brisket into small pieces, about 2 cups. In a large saucepan, melt half a cup of butter over medium heat. Whisk in half a cup of flour, cook for 1 minute. Gradually whisk in 3 cups of milk until smooth and thickened. Reduce heat, stir in 2 cups of shredded cheddar, 1 cup of mozzarella, and half a teaspoon of salt. Stir in the cooked macaroni and chopped brisket. Pour into a greased 9-inch pie plate, top with a sheet of refrigerated pie crust, and crimp edges to seal. Bake for 30 to 35 minutes until the crust is golden brown. Let cool before slicing and serving. Get ready for a flavor explosion. All right, chili lovers, this one's for you. Dice 1 onion and 1 green bell pepper. In a large pot, brown 1 pound of ground beef, then drain excess grease. Add the diced onion and green pepper. Cook until softened. Stir in 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of oregano, and half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Cook for 1 minute, stirring constantly. Pour in 1 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes, 1 15-ounce can each of kidney and pinto beans, drained and rinsed, and 2 cups of beef broth. Bring to a boil, then simmer for 30 minutes. Add 2 cups of chopped leftover brisket, simmer for another 15 minutes. Serve with your favorite toppings like shredded cheese, sour cream, and chopped onions. This chili is the perfect way to warm up on a chilly day. There you have it, folks. 5 epic ways to transform your leftover beef brisket into culinary masterpieces. From comforting ragu to cheesy casserole and a mind-blowing mac and cheese pie, these recipes will have you looking forward to leftovers. Which recipe will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and subscribe to my channel for more awesome food adventures. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.